Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best self-cleaning litter box is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in pet care technology, offering a hands-off solution to a chore many pet owners dread. And while the convenience is undeniable, understanding the nuances of these automated marvels is key to making an informed purchase that truly benefits both you and your feline friend. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray Refills, Lavender. Tired of the daily litter box chore? Our innovative system takes care of it for you, offering weeks of maintenance-free convenience. Experience a fresher home with our crystal litter that absorbs odors on contact. It's 5 times faster at odor removal than traditional clumping litter. Our disposable trays feature a leak-proof plastic liner, ensuring your floors stay clean and protected from any accidents. Enjoy a cleaner home with our 99% dust-free crystal litter. It dries solid waste and is designed for minimal tracking. We believe your pet deserves the best. That's why we create products focused on their health, happiness, and safety. For over 2 decades, we've been dedicated to enhancing the lives of pets and their families. Our US-based team is here to help with any questions. What we like? This product offers a truly hands-off experience for weeks. It absorbs odors quickly and protects your floors from leaks. If you are looking for the ultimate convenience and a clean home with minimal effort, this is the one for you. What people say. The litter box is very easy to set up and use. It automatically cleans itself after each use, which saves a lot of time and effort. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well with my home decor. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray Refills. Introducing the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray Refills. This innovative system takes the hassle out of cat litter maintenance, offering a no-scoop solution for weeks. Experience advanced odor control that's 5x faster than traditional litter. Its low-tracking crystals absorb moisture and dry waste, while the disposable tray with a plastic liner ensures leak-proof protection. Designed for convenience, these disposable trays make cleanup simple. The lightweight, leak-proof liners provide peace of mind for pet parents on the go. PetSafe has been dedicated to creating happy, healthy, and safe environments for pets since 1998. Trust our expertise for all your pet's needs. Explore our wide range of products designed for your pet's well-being. From leashes and fences to feeders and toys, we have everything to enrich your pet's life. Our US-based customer care experts are ready to assist you. Contact us via phone, email, or chat for any questions about our products. What we like? Get more for less with this value pack, offering the same great odor control and leak protection. If you have multiple cats or want to stock up for extended use, this option provides excellent long-term value and convenience. What people say. The litter box is easy to set up and use. It automatically cleans itself after each use. The large capacity holds plenty of litter. Number 3. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box Tray Refills. Introducing the ultimate convenience for cat owners. This system is designed to do all the work for you, eliminating the need for scooping, cleaning, or refilling for weeks. Experience a fresher home with our advanced crystal litter. It absorbs urine and dries solid waste, controlling odors 5 times faster than traditional clumping litter. Our disposable trays feature a leak-proof plastic liner. This ensures your floors are protected from any potential messes, offering peace of mind. The lightweight, leak-proof design makes this an ideal solution for any pet parent. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with these disposable litter trays. Your pet deserves the best. We offer a wide range of products, from leashes and harnesses to self-cleaning litter boxes and more, all designed for their happiness and safety. Since 1998, our mission has been to create happy, healthy, and safe environments for pets. Our US-based experts are always ready to assist you with any questions. What we like? Experience superior odor absorption with premium blue crystals. This system eliminates scooping for weeks and keeps your home smelling fresh. If you prioritize advanced odor control and a hassle-free litter box solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The litter box is easy to set up and use, with a simple one-button operation. It automatically cleans itself after each use, which saves a lot of time and effort. The large capacity allows for multiple cats to use it without frequent cleaning. Number 2. Powools Small Cat Litter Mat, Gray. Tired of tracking litter everywhere? This innovative mat features a double-layer design to capture loose litter, keeping your floors clean. Simply tip it to recycle the litter, reducing waste and saving you time. Crafted from premium EVA material, this mat is ultra-soft and odor-free. Its gentle texture is perfect for sensitive paws, and it's resistant to cat scratches, ensuring long-lasting use. Accidents happen, but they don't have to ruin your floors. The waterproof bottom layer prevents urine and spills from seeping through, protecting your carpets and hardwood. Plus, the anti-slip backing keeps it securely in place. Cleaning up is a breeze with this mat. Forget daily sweeping. Just empty the collected litter every few days. For tougher messes, a quick rinse or wipe is all it takes. This versatile mat is generously sized to fit most litter boxes. It also doubles as a feeding mat, catching spills and crumbs under food and water bowls. It's the perfect solution for a cleaner home. What we like? This mat effectively traps litter and is completely waterproof, protecting your floors. It's also incredibly easy to clean and can even recycle litter. If you're tired of litter tracking and want a simple, effective solution to keep your floors clean, this mat is a must-have. What people say. The litter box is easy to set up and use. It automatically cleans itself, which saves a lot of time and effort. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Number 1. AIPERRO XL Stainless Steel Enclosed Cat Litter Box. Introducing our XL Enclosed Cat Litter Box, designed for ultimate privacy and comfort for your feline friends. Its generous size and enclosed design ensure a clean and odor-free environment. Crafted from high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel, this litter box is built to last. It's incredibly easy to clean and maintain, offering a sturdy and long-term solution for your pet's needs. Tired of litter scatter? Our unique 30 degrees angled filter plate effectively prevents cats from tracking litter out. Keep your home cleaner with this smart, exclusive design. This extra-large litter box, measuring 23 by 15 by 11 inches, comfortably accommodates cats of all sizes, including large breeds. Its high sides provide superior containment. Designed with a sealed bottom and curved shape, it offers superior anti-urine leakage protection. Enjoy a cleaner home with no lingering odors, thanks to its effective containment. This perfect combination includes a litter trapping mat to keep floors clean and a durable, all-metal scoop for effortless cleaning. Everything you need for a tidy litter area. What we like? This extra-large, stainless steel box offers durability and is easy to clean, with a design that prevents scatter. It's perfect for big cats and ensures a contained, odor-free environment. If you have a large cat or want a long-lasting, easy-to-maintain litter box solution, this is the ideal pick. What people say. This litter box is amazing, it cleans itself and my cat loves it. I was skeptical at first, but this self-cleaning litter box has been a game changer. It's so convenient and keeps the litter box fresh. The design is sleek and modern, and it actually works. No more scooping for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.